This is the Winter in the Wasteland 5 Alien Invasion build announcement. There was a comet approaching the Earth, or at least we thought it was a comet until it was too late. We were attacked from space and the planet has been devastated. You need to design your build to survive that attack and respond to it. What type of weapons the aliens are using is up to you. What weapons will be successful against them is also up to you. They are attacking us on the ground. It's up to you to use your imagination to create the defenses and the weapons that are needed. Are they laser beams? Are they sonar weapons? Are they just attacking us with robots? That's entirely up to you. You can use any scale of die-cast vehicle or combinations of vehicles for this build. This should be a new build and not something you've already created. And I'm announcing this earlier this year as I'm anticipating some of you may wish to create dioramas to fit this build. The build release date is January 17th, 2026. You have plenty of time to get a vehicle done for this, or multiple vehicles, or a diorama. It's up to you. I'm really looking forward to wild creativity on this. You don't need to have a YouTube channel or any other social media presence to participate. Email up to 3 pictures of the build to me at silvajim@gmail.com on or before January 17th, 2026 to appear in the recap video. If you do have a social media presence, be sure to tag your video when you create it or any progress pictures you create, anything like that, with the hashtag WITW5. I'm really looking forward to a lot of creativity with this. And remember, I won't be the only one watching.